Hello students, welcome you all. This is fifth session of the topic determinant. Today let we start with examples on area of a triangle. Before we start with area of a triangle, students, you know that what is the formula of area of a triangle? Determinant is equals to 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Yes, let us start the today's first example. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 8. Students, this question was given in the year 2018 and 2020 for 2 marks. Let us start the solution. The area of a triangle is given by, we know that what is the formula of area of a triangle? Determinant is equals to 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, determinant is equals to 1 by 2 into determinant of, sorry students, I did mistake here. Instead of determinant I use here matrix. You make that correction. Okay, then minus 2, minus 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 8, 1. To simplify this determinant, expand along the first row, will get 1 by 2 into minus 2 as it is, into delete first column, first row, 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 into 1 2, minus of minus 8 into 1 minus 8, minus 3, minus of minus 3 into delete second column, first row, 3 1s are 3, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 will get, plus 1 into delete first row and third column, 3 into minus 8, minus 24, minus of 2 into 1, minus 2. If you simplify this, minus 8, minus of minus, plus 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 into minus 2, minus 20 will get, minus of minus 3, plus 3, 3 minus of minus 1, plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 into 3, this is plus 3 will get, this is plus 4 will get, 4 3s are plus 12 will get. Yes, plus 1 into minus 24 plus 2, minus of minus, plus 2, minus 24 plus 2 will get minus 22. If you add this, minus 20, minus 22, minus 42, minus 42 plus 12 will get minus 30 divided by 2 will get minus 15. But yesterday I am given note, since area is positive quantity, we always take absolute value. Absolute value means what? You have to take positive value. Here see, answer is get minus 15, but absolute value means what? You have to take modulus of minus 15. You have to take always positive value is equals to 15 square unit. That is of positive value, 15 square unit. Yes. Let us start next question. Example 4. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. This question is for homework. You have to solve by previous one example. Same method. Okay. Let us start with next question. Find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 3, b of 0, 0 using the determinant to find the k if d of k, 0 is point such that area of a triangle ABD is 3 square unit. Students, read the question 2 times. First you have to understood the question what they are asked. In this example they are asked two question. First one, find the equation of the line. You have to find the equation of the line, then find the value of k. Second question, if they are given area of a triangle is 3 square unit. Yes, in yesterday's class I am given note 2. What is that note? If area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. This is a yesterday I am given note. By using that note you have to solve this. Consider here I want to find the first equation of the line joining 1, 3 and b, 0, 0. Yes, let consider here p of x be any point on AB. To find the area of here already they are given area of a triangle is 0. That's why we will take here 0, but I want 3 vertices, but they are given here 1, 3 and 0, 0. Let us consider here p of x, y be any point on AB. Then area of a triangle ABP, area of a triangle is equals to plus or minus, this is nothing but second note, this is equals to 0. Yes, then 1 by 2 into 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, and this is the third point x, y, 1. Now you solve this determinant along second row or first row, but I will solve here second row because of for easier calculation determinant contains maximum number of zeros. 1 by 2 as it is 1 into 0 into any number will get 0, 0 into any number what will get 0. Then delete first second row and third column, what will get 1 into y minus of 3 into x minus 3x is equals to 0. This implies 1 by 2 into y minus 3x is equals to 0. If you shift 2 into right hand side, what will get y minus 3x is equals to 0. Yes, this implies y is equals to, you shift this minus 3x on right hand side, is y is equals to 3x, which is required line of AB. This is the first question. We'll get what is the equation of the line, y is equals to 3x, which is required equation of the line AB. Now I want to find the value of k here, and they are given area of a triangle ABD is 3 square unit. This is nothing but what you have to take determinant is equals to plus or minus 3. They are given already. Since area of a triangle ABD is 3 square unit, that is determinant is equals to plus or minus 3 we have. Then 1 by 2 as it is 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, and third points they are given here d of k, 0, k, 0, 1 is equals to plus or minus 3. Now expanding along row 2 here, again same thing, mistake here, row 2, expanding along the row 2, what will get if you remove this second row and third column, 0 into 1 0 minus 3 into k minus 3k divided by 2 will get, this implies minus 3k is equals to plus or minus 3, that is k is equals to plus or minus 2. See here minus 3k divided by 2, this implies plus or minus 3. 3 2s are 6, so minus 3k is equals to 6. Then 3 is equals to 6 divided by 3 plus or minus 3 is 3 1s are 3 2s are, k is equals to plus or minus 2. That is a required equation. If they are given any point and they are given area of a triangle square EBD is 3 square unit. You have to use always plus or minus 3. That is note 2. Yes, are you understood this question? Okay, let us start with next question. Okay, before we solving the next question, write down note the area of a triangle formed by 3 collinear point is 0. What is mean by collinear? Collinear means what? If it is a line, in only one line that 3 points are lying, then this area of a triangle by this will get 0. I want to show that here. Example, all these 3 points are lying only one line and that is equals to 0. Yes, the question will be asked like that. Show that the point A of A comma B plus C, B of B comma C plus A comma C of A plus B are collinear. Let us start the solution. The area of a triangle ABC is given by the relation determinant is equals to 1 by 2 into determinant of first element A x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. You have to write here A B plus C1, B C plus A1, C A plus B1. Now here I want to show this is equals to 0, means you have to apply operations here. Apply R2 changes to rho 2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. We get determinant is equals to 1 by 2. First row element keep as it is A B plus C1, then R2 changes to R2 minus R1, B minus A, then C plus A, C plus A minus B minus C, plus C minus C will get cancelled, plus C minus C will get cancelled, remaining what? A minus B. Yes, then 1 minus 1 will get 0. Next R3 changes to R3 minus R1, C minus A, then A plus B minus B plus C. What will get? Plus B minus C will get cancelled, A minus C will get here. See here, A plus B minus C plus of minus of B minus of C, plus B minus C will get cancelled, remain A minus C, and 1 minus 1 0. Now take out common factor. What is common factor in second row and third row? A minus B and A minus C. Take out from row 2 and row 3. We get 1 by 2 as it is. A minus B into A minus C. Keep first row element as it is. A B plus C 1. Here I already am taken A minus B is common, but here B minus A is there, no? Then here you have to take negative sign outside. What will get? A minus B. See, means what is remaining here? Minus 1. Then A minus B is common, 1 0, and third row element A minus C is common. Similarly C minus A is here, but I am taken A minus C. If you take minus 1 outside, sorry, C minus A I am taken already common, will get 1 minus 1 0. Then apply here R3 changes to R3 plus R2. We have 1 by 2 into A minus B into A minus C. First row element as it is A B plus C 1, and second row element also as it is minus 1 1 0. Then R3 changes to R3 plus R2, 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 will get 0, minus 1 plus 1 will get 0, and 0 plus 0 will get 0. Means what? Here see, all the 3 element of the third row is 0. Means what? If you multiply by using, if expand along the first row, will get 0. Since all the element of row 3 is 0, hence the point A, B, C are collinear. Okay, let us start next one question. find the value of k if area of a triangle is 4 square unit and vertices are. First question k comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2, and second question minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4 and 0 comma k. This question was, second question was homework. Let us start first question. Given that area of a triangle is here 4 square unit and you have to find the value of k. Yes, I want to find the value of k here, and given area of a triangle is 4 square unit, that is delta is equals to plus or minus 4. Therefore the area of a triangle with the vertices k comma 0, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 is given by the relation delta determinant is equals to 1 by 2 into determinant of k 0 1, 4 0 1, 0 2 1, and determinant value they are given is equals to plus or minus 4. This value they are given is equals to plus or minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 into, expand along the first row this determinant 1 by 2 as it is, k into 0 minus 2 minus 0 into 4 minus 0, then plus 1 into, delete first row and third column, what will get 4 to the 8 minus 0. Now simplify, plus or minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 2k plus 0 into any number will get 0 plus 1 into 8 will get. This implies 1 by 2 as it is. Here 2 is common, take out that common 2 outside, minus k plus 4 to the 8 will get previous step. Yes, then here 2 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, then plus or minus 4 is equals to minus k plus 4. Either it may be, k value should be positive or negative, but you have to take always positive value. Minus k, when minus k plus 4 is equals to minus 4 and minus k plus 4 is equals to plus 4. Yes, if you simplify this minus k, if you shift on right hand side, we will get k is equals to plus 8. See here, minus k, you shift that side, is equals to minus 4 minus 4. This implies minus 8 minus k, negative sign will get cancelled, k is equals to 8 will get. When minus k plus 4 is equals to 4, if you shift similarly, minus k is equals to 4 minus 4. This implies minus 4 plus will get cancelled, k is equals to minus k is equals to 0, k is equals to 0. This implies what is the value of k? K is equals to 0 comma 8, and that is the answer. For always you have to take positive value, don't take negative value. The area is always positive. Are you understood? Yes, thank you students.